Hello everyone, another honeybee fact for you. Today I wanted to bring the camera out to the hives, but I didn't get a chance because it was raining and I got home too late from work. So today's honeybee fact will be about the queen bee. The queen bee is absolutely amazing. One really neat fact is that when she's first born, she will go on a mating voyage where she will mate with as many drones as she can, drones being the males like I shared with you yesterday. And when she gets back to the hive, she could start laying. She'll pull the seed and fertilize it with an egg to make the worker bee, and the unfertilized eggs are the drones. She will hold on to that seed for 3 to 4 years. She will not need to mate again. Queen bees last their reproductive years in laying good brood is in that first 3 to 4 years. After that, the bees will need to replace her, or we will replace her. One way that all of the worker bees replace a queen is that they will build queen cells, and the queen cells will be about 3/4 of an inch long, and they will start feeding that brood the egg. They'll start feeding it royal jelly. Now, a worker bee and a drone are fed royal jelly for the first 3 to 4 days of gestation. And then from then on, they are fed something called bee bread. People have named it that, bee bread. It's pollen and honey mixture that the bees make and feed to all of the brood, the eggs. But for the gestation of a queen bee in that queen cell, which hangs off of, we see it on the bottom of the frames. We'll see quite a few, and that means that they're not happy with their queen, or they're thinking about splitting the hive. One portion of the hive is going to stay. The other portion is going to take that other queen and leave, so they'll split. Or they're making a new queen because they're unhappy with their queen, and they're just going to take the whole hive, and it's called swarming. I'm trying to stay on topic, but so then they will feed that queen cell royal jelly for the gestation of her life, and she will be made into a queen with completely different anatomy from the worker bees. Now, a queen bee needs to be attended to. Her main focus is laying eggs, and she will be cleaned, like I shared with you about she and the drones and the baby hatching bees are the only ones who go number 2 in the hive. The worker bee ladies do not, and they will clean up after the queen. But she will have designated bees that will be her attendings. It's her court of royalty that will take care of her. They will feed her, and when I mean feed, I mean her her digestive system can't digest food, so the worker bees will digest for her and feed her. And then she'll be able to eat. Another thing that the worker bees will do, because they are very smart, is they know that a fully developed queen bee is very large and her body is heavy, and her wings are not in perfect proportion to her body compared to the worker bee. And what they'll do is if they would like to swarm, they will start putting her on a diet down to 1/3 of her body weight so that she will be able to fly a long distance. But I could go on and on and on and give you more facts, but I'll try to hold back, and I'll give you more facts another day. I hope you enjoyed. Take care. Bye.